Hey everybody, welcome back to Pretzel's Garage. We got a package today from the lovely people at Go Power Sports. Now, while I open this, I would like to say thank you, Go Power Sports, for remaining open and, shipping out parts and or at least I appreciate it. I hope everyone else in our community, the mini bike and modifying Predators, appreciates it as well, because during these tough times it's nice to have parts to work on our projects. So in here we got a vent filter. As always, a bunch of stickers. Love them. Love the new logo. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. I don't think I have one of the circular stickers around here. But here. More stickers. I love stickers. Thought I had one of the old ones around here somewhere. Oh, I know where it is. It's on my hard hat. But yeah, there's obviously the stickers. Nothing else in there. Also, vent filter. Packing slip, obviously. That's standard. And then 5 feet of clear purple 1/4-inch fuel line. That'll be awesome because I'm going to redo the fuel system on the mini bike. And I need it for the catch can, which here it is, the black aluminum catch can. So we got our barbs and fittings there. This one. Well, this one's not a bag. To save time from me trying to rip this open and just cut it. Save time. Hose clamps to secure the thing. And here it is. Our black aluminum catch can, so. Oh, here's the other fitting. I was wondering, where the frick is the other fitting? So, one goes in here, one goes here, one goes here. Really depends on which one you want. If you want your vent filter, if you want your vent filter up on top, it always goes up on top here. So it depends if you want your fuel barb to look, your inline barb like that, or, But, and then this goes in the bottom here. But here's our catch can, and this will be going onto the mini bike. In this video, I will put this on. I will redo the fuel system, and then I will also putting the carb and the exhaust and the gas tank all back on. So I'll first start off with a video of a time lapse of putting on the exhaust and the carb, and then I'll show you how to install your aluminum catch can. So, to install, now that we got my carb and my exhaust back on, I got 1/4-inch fuel line. Now, this is gonna, because the stock one's too short, so what you're gonna do is obviously just get it in there. Make sure it's seated in there as far as it can go. Okay, so I already put my fittings in. So obviously drain plug here. I did my little vent filter. And then, so this is gonna sit, I'm gonna put mine right here. Down here a little lower. So, now, I'm gonna feed this through over here. Okay, there we go. There we go. So, I use my big loppers. These are some Wiss loppers. They're cable cutters. I use them at work. So, I'll get it cut out of the way. And then, obviously, press that on there all the way. Oh, I could shorten it just a little. Shorten it just a little. There we go. So, cut it to length, and then now let's get it on there all the way. And there you go. And then it comes provided with hose clamps. I'm gonna hose clamp it to right there. And I'll cut back to that. Okay, so I got it all installed. If you watch closely in the time lapse, I did put electrical tape around the back where it's going to make contact. So there's electrical tape wrapped around here and here so I don't scratch the frame. And that's it. And now I'll put the gas tank back on and fire it up. I got everything back on and installed, so we're going to fire it up. Get the choke there. Use the kill switch there. I know it doesn't sound right perfectly, so in the next video I'll tune the carburetor because it just isn't running as smooth as I want it. I'll make a video because I know a lot of people have problems tuning these aftermarket Makunis, so that'll be in the next video. So thanks for watching my catch can install, and this is the first fire that I've filmed, like the first video of it running here on YouTube. So hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more, and leave a like and a comment if you got any. And thanks for watching. See you next time.